Hi there, welcome back. This is Cathy from Red Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing. I'm part of the Couture creative team. Today I'm doing a canvas piece. I got this little canvas, it was on sale. The first thing I'm going to do is cover up all those lines with gesso. I did about 4 coats of gesso. I know this might be hard to see. I'm just sketching some trees onto the canvas. I got up as close as I could. So I'm just sketching it out. All these little pencil lines will be covered at the end. Now I'm going to take the embossing medium and with a paintbrush I'm just dabbing it into that tree, into the outline of the tree. Now I realize it's kind of hard to see. It's white on white. When I do the next color, you'll be able to tell really more what I'm doing. Here you can see I'm using grounded. I'm going to be mixing the embossing medium into the grounded paint color, which is beige. I've mixed them up previously, so I'm just adding to it. Mix that up, and I'm going to repeat the same thing with the paintbrush, just dabbing it into one of the outlines of the tree. The next color I'll be using is Misty Fjord, which is a very light green, sage green color. So again, I'm going to mix the embossing medium into the Misty Fjord. For the trees that are at the back, I'm mixing the two colors, the grounded and the Misty Fjord, together, and it just gives a very light, well, greeny beige color actually. They're supposed to be in the background, so it's just a lighter color back there. I'm going to let all of this dry. It takes a couple of hours, and once it's dry, you can see it's kind of patchy. I'm going to go, well, there I'm just doing the tree trunks. But I'm going to go over it again with the same colors just to fill in and make it a little bit darker. In order for it to have even more texture and to give it even more of a 3D look, I'm adding crust to all of these colors that I've mixed up. The first one was just the embossing medium. It was just white, so I added crust to that. I'm going to mix them all up ahead of time. So that is the green with the crust and the grounded. Now, I think I had my light turned on too bright, so I think that's why it's a little hard to see. I'm going to get in as close as I possibly can. What I'm doing with this crust mixture is I'm just going around the edges, the perimeter where there would be natural boughs on a tree. So it gives more of a feeling of heaviness to it. I do kind of get in a little bit closer so you can see in some spots. Anyway, I think you can kind of see. Now you can do as much or as little as you want of the crust. Here I'm just going over around the outside with the embossing medium just to give it a little bit of texture. I kind of thought if it was a snowy day, maybe the trees would be in the snow. For a little bit of whimsy, I'm going to flick the French gold metallic paint all over the top. And then do a bit of the gold dry brushing down at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. If there are any products that you are interested in, there'll be links down at the bottom. There's a close-up of the trees. It's different light. It's much better. You can see all the texture. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. We'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you all again really soon.